हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू मेडिकल 360। सो हरियाणा में एमबीबीएस के अराउंड 3000 सीट्स हैं, बट क्या आपको पता है कि सेम स्टेट में एक एमबीबीएस सीट की फी फ्यू लाख से स्टार्ट होकर 1 करोड़ प्लस तक जा सकती है। और इंटरेस्टिंग बात यह है कि हरियाणा में लोकेटेड हर मेडिकल कॉलेज का काउंसलिंग रूट भी सेम नहीं है। गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस हैं, प्राइवेट कॉलेजेस हैं, हरियाणा प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं, गवर्नमेंट एडेड कॉलेजेस हैं, ईएसआईसी हैं, एंड देन अमृता और एमएम मौलाना जैसे डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी ऑप्शंस भी हैं। So today we are going to create a complete Haryana MBBS and BDS map for NEET 2026. कितने कॉलेजेस, कितनी सीट्स, स्टेट काउंसलिंग से कौन से ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे, एमसीसी से कौन से, गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट एंड डीम्ड फीस में कितना डिफरेंस है। वीडियो के एंड तक आपको सिर्फ कॉलेज नेम्स नहीं बल्कि विच कॉलेज प्लस विच काउंसलिंग प्लस हाउ मच बजट, ये कंप्लीट पिक्चर क्लियर हो जाएगी। स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज आपकी रैंक पर हरियाणा में 3 एमबीबीएस ऑप्शंस पॉसिबल हैं। एक गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज, एक रेगुलर प्राइवेट कॉलेज और एक डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। स्टूडेंट अक्सर ये देखता है तीनों में एमबीबीएस ही तो है, कौन सा बेटर है। बट काउंसलिंग के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से 3 क्वेश्चंस और इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। कॉलेज किस काउंसलिंग रूट से मिलेगा, आप किस कोटा से एलिजिबल हैं, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली यस 5.5 ईयर्स, 5.5 साल का टोटल फिनेंशियल कमिटमेंट कितना होगा। बिकॉज एक फिनेंशियली अनरियलिस्टिक कॉलेज को प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट में डालना काउंसलिंग स्ट्रैटेजी बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। करियर 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रोजेक्टर से रैंक बेस्ड पॉसिबल कॉलेजेस का इनिशियल आइडिया मिल सकता है। अब रोड मैप सिंपल है। सबसे पहले हम हरियाणा का टोटल एमबीबीएस सीट लैंडस्केप चेक करेंगे, देन कोटा स्ट्रक्चर, उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट एंड गवर्नमेंट एडेड कॉलेजेस, प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी एक्सेप्शन, बीडीएस कॉलेजेस एंड फाइनली फीस। सो दिस इज नॉट सिंपली अ कॉलेज लिस्ट वीडियो. Think of it as your Haryana NEET 2026 college and budget guide. Now this NMC matrix shows that there are a total of 18 MBBS colleges in Haryana and 2960 total MBBS seats. The broad deck classification is that there are 1060 seats on the government/central government side and 1900 seats across private, government aided, private university and deemed categories. NMC officially released its 2026-2027 undergraduate MBBS metrics on 14th of July 2026. But students, 2960 seats Haryana में located हैं. It does not mean all 2960 Haryana state counseling से मिलेंगी. For example, Amrita School of Medicine, Faridabad is a deemed to be university institution. So its 150 seats follow the MCC route. Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham I'm talking about. That distinction becomes very important during choice filling. Now talking about government colleges ka broad structure. 15% All India quota through MCC and 85% Haryana state merit Haryana counseling subject to institution specific rule. And talking about private UHSR affiliated colleges में the framework provides 50% quota, 50% state quota and 50% management category. Management category all India NEET merit पर accessible होती है. So eligible other state students भी participate कर सकते हैं. Within management category, the Haryana framework further provides an NRI component. Remember this particular thing. But one warning, हर private looking college पर 50:50 formula automatically apply मत करिए. Private university and deemed university legal status check करना जरूरी है. Now let's talk about government options में deck list. If I talk about for BPS Government Medical College for Women, Sonipat, it has a total intake of 120. Kalpana Chawla Government Medical College, Karnal, it is having an intake of 120. Maharshi Chavan Medical College, Koriavas, it's a government college having an intake of 100 seats. Pandit Neki Ram Sharma Government Medical College Bhiwani having an intake of 100 seats. Shahid Hassan Khan Mewati Government Medical College Nalhar Nuh having an intake of 120 seats. Talking about Pandit B.D. Sharma PGIMS Rohtak, it's having a intake of 250 seats. Rest you can have a look. Now I want to talk about ESIC Faridabad. It is also shown with 150 seats. Just have a look over here. ESI Medical College Faridabad is a central government institute. Its 150 seats go entirely through MCC. Remember this particular thing. PGIMS Rohtak with 250 seats in this particular deck is one of the largest government intakes, and NMC's college database independently confirms established intake figures for institutions such as PGIMS, BPS, Kalpana Chawla, ESIC Faridabad. Students, remember one thing, MCC separately handles AIQ, All India Quota, and ESIC insured person categories. So 2026 exact seat breakup latest MCC metrics से check करिएगा. Now let's talk about the private medical colleges. Private side में options काफी diverse हैं. First group includes Adesh Medical College with an intake of 250 seats. Al Falah School of Medicine, Sciences and Research Center having an intake of 200 seats. Amrita School of Medicine having an intake of 150 seats. Maharaja Agrasen Medical College, Agroha having an intake of 100 seats. Remember one thing, that Amrita School of Medicine is a deemed university college. Its seats are filled through MCC's Central Deemed University Counselling, not through Haryana UHSR State Counselling, even though NMC's national metrics counts its seats in Haryana state's total. Now talking about the next set, Maharshi Markandeshwar College of Medical Sciences having an intake of 200 seats. Talking about Maharshi Markandeshwar Institute of Medical Sciences, its location is Maulana Ambala having an intake of 250 seats. World College of Medical Science and Research Jhajjar having an intake of 250 seats. Rest you can just have a look over here. I want to talk about Sanskaram School of Medical Sciences, named in NMC's national seat metrics as 2026-2027 new establishment. Maharaja Agrasen Medical College Agroha is government aided, not fully private, but follows the private college counseling track for the seat distribution. Remember this thing. Now talking about Amrita School of Medicine, a different admission route. Yes, Haryana location, MCC counseling. Amrita is the best example of this confusion. College Faridabad में है, but it belongs to Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, a deemed to be university. Its official page confirms 150 MBBS seats, and admission is through MCC's Central Deemed University Counselling based on NEET rank. I already told you. So no Haryana domicile advantage over here. No Haryana state quota preference. An eligible student from anywhere in India competes through the applicable MCC deemed university process. Simple rule suniye. Location Haryana hai, but that is not equal to Haryana state counselling. Now talking about the BDS colleges in Haryana. Talking about PGIDS Rohtak having an intake of 100 seats. Swami Devi Dayal Hospital and Dental College Panchkula having an intake of 100 seats. Sudha Rastagi College of Dental Science and Research Faridabad having an intake of 100 seats. Yamuna Institute of Dental Science and Research Yamuna Nagar having an intake of 100 seats. Talking about BRS Dental College and General Hospital Panchkula having an intake of 60 seats. Also talking about JN Kapoor Dental College Yamuna Nagar having an intake of 50 seats. Rest you can just have a look over here. So students, what I recommend is wait for the final 2026 Haryana / National Dental Commission seat matrix and then go for the choice filling. Now students, talking about the fee structure. The deck gives government MBBS fee references starting with approximately rupees 80,000 in first year, followed by the prescribed annual escalation schedule. For MAMC Agroha, the deck cites around rupees 1.80 lakhs annually. ESI Faridabad is shown at rupees 1 lakh rupee annually. Government BDS at PGIDS Rohtak is shown around rupees 52,000. Just have a look over here. Annually I'm talking about. But these values over here originate from the older Haryana fee framework. So for 2026, what you need to do is you need to verify from the fresh Haryana college notifications. The officially indexed Haryana UG counseling site still reflects the previous admission cycle. Now talking about private colleges affiliated to UHSR Rohtak. Private MBBS becomes much more expensive. The deck uses the UHSR affiliated private framework. Rupees 12 lakh annual tuition and development charges with a 7.5% annual increase for MBBS. For BDS, it shows rupees 2.80 lakh annually with a 5% annual increase. Separately, security, hostel, mess and other charges may apply. This is why private MBBS preference filing should never be based only on closing rank. If the fee increases annually, calculate the complete course cost, not just 1 year. An institutional /NRI category can have a completely different financial structure. Now over here, this particular slide and this particular page over here shows the biggest fee variation. Al Falah's official current medical college page confirms 200 MBBS seats and its displayed resident Indian fee structure shows rupees 16 lakhs 37,500 for each of years 1 to 4 and rupees 9 lakhs in year 5th with hostel and other charges separately. SGT University's own current page now displays rupees 22.5 lakhs per annum. So over here, just have a look onto the table. SGT University Gurgaon is having a total fees of around for Indian candidates 1.06 crores. Talking about Al Falah's University Faridabad, it's having a total MBBS course fee of rupees 74.50 lakhs. For Maharshi Markandeshwar University Ambala, having a total course fee of 92.99 lakhs. Amrita School of Medicine, rupees 1.38 crores total. Maharshi Markandeshwar Mulana, it's rupees 83.08 lakhs in total. For NRI candidates, just have a look over here. Talking about the fees for private BDS colleges in Haryana. For SGT Dental College Hospital and Research Institute Gurgaon, having a total course fee of 21 lakhs. Sudha Rastagi College of Dental Sciences and Research Faridabad, having a total course fee of about 11 lakhs 54,000. Yamuna Institute of Dental Science and Research Yamunanagar, having a total course fee of 12 lakhs 6,000. So Haryana NEET 2026 aspirants, don't make one giant Haryana college list. Make separate buckets: government colleges, regular private, state/management options, Haryana private universities, deemed universities through MCC, and special institutions like ESIC. Then ask 4 questions for every college. Am I eligible? Which counseling handles it? What is the actual 2026 fee? If allotted, will I genuinely join? So, Careers 360 नीट कॉलेज प्रोजेक्टर का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. फ्री काउंसलिंग गाइडेंस के लिए वेरीफाइड नंबर पर नीट सेंड करें एंड बिफोर चॉइस फिलिंग प्लीज चेक द फाइनल हरियाणा MCC seat metrics because right college plus wrong counseling route still means no seat.